Hey everyone, it's Phil here. Welcome back to Sydney Trains Vlogs, and welcome back to another Parramatta light rail stop construction update. This time we are at the Westmead terminus light rail stop, the end of the line for the Westmead end of Parramatta light rail. Being in island formation, this stop has the stop name signs fitted, the L Lollipop, CCTV, passenger information display screens on both platforms. I'll do a sort of slow walk through. I've got to try and balance on the edge of this without murdering plants. And without whacking my phone on this too. There's bins and new seats too. I love it, people looking at me like I'm an idiot. Because they're not wrong, I am. One thing I'm going to point out very quickly is with this light rail line, I'm waiting until many parts later to say it, down here on the ground is where the little charging point will go, because these trams will run off some sort of battery. Unlike, or similar I guess, to the Newcastle light rail, how a tram will stop and they have that very, very short bit of overhead charging point. This will be very similar, however the charging point will be in the ground. Tram will charge, I don't know if it'll charge at each stop, but yeah. That's how they'll get around, just in case you are all wondering why there is no overhead wiring or the continuous sort of in-ground power source. Just walking around so I can get... there's normal Westmead train station too. I don't know why I said normal Westmead, but there's Westmead train station. Alright, that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and all that stuff, and I'll catch you soon. Bye for now.